Hello po mga karancho, Ver Manangan here once again. For today's video, I would like to share with you the basic of goat farming. So first, we need a goat house. So the goat house should have a flooring above the ground, at least 1 meter from the ground. So we may use bamboo or woods or whatever. In our case, we use plastic mattings as floorings, like that. So that our goats will be comfortable. They will not smell their the bad odor of their urine. And we need a grassland for them to eat. So first, we need a goat house, 2 a grassland, and 3 a fencing perimeter, so that our goat will not scattered and should be controlled, because it can damage the other farms or other plants in the surroundings of our goat farm. So then we need goats, good breeds of goats. So these are our grassland with perimeter. So the breed of our goats are mixed as of now. So we have Boers, upgraded Boers, Anglo-Nubians, native goats, like that. So mixed breeds. At Manangan Ranch, our goal is to have a breed of Boang, Boer plus Anglo-Nubians. These are intended for meat production, and they are big size and they are tall sizes of goats. So also at Manangan Ranch, we have silage management, and we store grasses in the empty drums. The blue are empty containers, and these empty containers we have oops, that is chicken. Our silage or preserved grasses are given to our goats during rainy season, where they cannot go out to eat grasses. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully we have imparted some important knowledge at Manangan Ranch in goat farming. Thank you.